We could argue all day about which sport is the best. Everyone has their own opinion, but here on the channel, swimming is hands down the best sport out there, and not just because it's fun. Swimming is one of the only sports you can do from cradle to grave. Yep, swimming is truly a lifelong sport. Today I'm going to break down 6 reasons why swimming is the best sport for all ages, from the physical benefits to all the important mental and social boosts that it provides as you age. Our first reason is that swimming is a full body strength workout. When you swim, you're working against the water's resistance. Water is 800 times more dense than air, which makes for a killer workout. Swimming all 4 competitive strokes works nearly every muscle in your body, not something many other sports can say. If you swim regularly, you'll build full body strength, from your legs to your core to your upper body and all the small muscles in between. And if weight loss is your goal, swimming is a great way to burn lots of calories. For maximum calorie burn, incorporate all 4 strokes and kick up your intensity. The faster you swim, the more calories you can burn. And while swimming does build strength, it's primarily considered a cardio activity, similar to running or cycling. It's been proven that doing regular cardio can boost your heart health, which is essential if you want to live a long and healthy life. Remember, your heart is a muscle. When you swim, your heart rate increases to move blood to your muscles more quickly. Over time, your heart will get stronger and start to pump blood more efficiently. You may also see your resting heart rate go down after a few months of regular swimming. This is good. It means that your heart is pumping more blood per contraction than before. Swimming may also help reduce your blood pressure. A 2012 study of 43 older people found that swimming a few times per week for 3 months reduced systolic blood pressure by nearly 7%. That's incredible and can make a huge difference in your health. And if that wasn't enough, swimming is also amazing for your joints. When you're in the water, you're nearly weightless, which means that swimming is super low impact. Swimming allows you to get a great workout without a ton of pounding or stress on your body. As you age, that might be just what your body needs. But low impact exercise isn't just for older people. Sometimes you need low impact workouts for other reasons, such as pregnancy or other health issues. Always check with your doctor first, but swimming could be a great place to start. And don't be fooled by low impact as a label. Swimming can be incredibly tough, despite your weightlessness. It's all about how you structure your swims. Before we dive into our next tip, I want to give a shout out to today's video sponsor, Timeline Nutrition. It's no secret that most swimmers get slower as they age. It's tough to maintain muscle and keep up the training intensity. Timeline Nutrition has created an incredible supplement designed to combat muscular decline so you can swim faster and train hard at any age. Timeline's MySwimPro technology harnesses the power of the pomegranate to help boost muscle function and fight aging at the cellular level. When you eat superfoods like pomegranates, your body synthesizes a powerful metabolite called urolithin that helps repair mitochondria, the energy factories in our cells. But here's the catch, only 30% of people can metabolize this from food. MySwimPro is the first 100% pure dose of urolithin A on the market that can help you bridge that gap and avoid muscular decline. Clinical research has shown that 500 milligrams of MySwimPro per day for 16 weeks improved leg muscle strength in 40 to 65-year-olds. It can also help boost your energy and endurance too. I've been testing out the MySwimPro powder for a few weeks now, and it's been incredible. I just mix it with water or make a smoothie in the morning, and I can head into my training knowing that I'm doing everything I can to maintain my muscular health for years to come. I want to train hard and swim faster in my 30s, 40s, and beyond, and Timeline is helping me do just that. They've also got a protein powder and soft gels that are packed with the same MySwimPro technology, so there's something for everyone. Head over to the link in the description below to save 10% off your Timeline order. Use the code MySwimPro. All right, so where were we? Yes, mental health. I think we can all agree that mental health is just as important as physical health. And thankfully, swimming provides a ton of brain benefits. If you've ever heard of runner's high, swimming does the exact same thing. Swimming causes your body to release endorphins, which create that euphoric feeling. Swimming also reduces stress hormones and increases serotonin levels, which can help you battle anxiety and depression. In both kids and older people, swimming has been shown to improve memory. Some studies have found that swimming helps repair brain cells and supports the growth of new ones. And that's not all. When you submerge yourself in water, blood flow to the brain increases by up to 14%, helping it work more efficiently and remove waste products that make you feel foggy and sluggish. All that science is great, but many people enjoy swimming just because it's a form of moving meditation. You're fully disconnected from the outside world and you're breathing in a controlled pattern which can relax you and help you clear your mind. If you want to learn more about how amazing swimming is for the brain, check out our video linked down below in the description. Now our next tip ties into mental health a bit too, and that's the social aspect of swimming. Whether you train with a team or see the same friendly faces during lap swim each week, swimming is a great way to make friends and meet new people. Plus, the competitive energy at swim meets or open water races can be fun as well. Socialization is essential at any age, but becomes especially important as we get older. Creating a supportive community is key to your overall health and wellness. It turns out that regular face-to-face socialization with others releases a cocktail of neurotransmitters in the brain that can help minimize stress, anxiety, and even pain. One study found that working out regularly with a group reduces stress by 26% and improved the participants' overall physical well-being by nearly 25%. That's something to pay attention to for sure. My final reason why swimming is amazing for your health is that it can be done outdoors. Studies show that regular exposure to nature improves your overall wellness and boosts your immune system. If you're lucky enough to live in a place where you can swim outdoors year-round, take advantage of it. Get some fresh air and a little bit of sunlight to enjoy your surroundings while you do your workout. I know many of you swim indoors, so this may not apply, but if you can, get out in the open water for a swim, whether it's a lake, the river, or the ocean, I promise it's worth it. Take in that fresh air, listen to the waves, watch the wildlife, and be in the moment. Enjoy it. In my opinion, swimming is one of the most impactful things you can do for your overall health. And the best part, you can start at any age. Check out the MySwimPro app for guided workouts and training plans to help you get started with MySwimPro Coach. So what do you think? Is swimming the best lifelong sport? Sound off in the comments and give this video a like and let me know what you guys think. Wish you the best and happy swimming.